In today's video, you're gonna see a quick explanation of a project that we just installed here in Clarkston, Michigan. This is a super simple walkway. We installed this in one day. The homeowner specifically requested these colors and this Fendt material. If you followed us for any time, you'll know that we use Unilock, Teco block, but rarely do we use Fendt. So in today's video, I'm just gonna give you a quick explanation of before, during, and after of what this installation looks like. Looks great. The homeowners are super satisfied, and I am too. So if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Alrighty, so here's what things looked like prior to. This was their concrete walkway that connected to their asphalt driveway, and essentially was very tight, and they wanted to update the aesthetic. They've been living in the home for quite some time. They're an older couple, and with that being said, they wanted to update the curb appeal of their home by getting rid of this and replacing it with something more stylish, like a brick paver walkway. Once we got our concrete out of there, which was step one, we immediately put in our gravel, and even before that, our geotextile fabric to prevent the gravel from migrating deeper into the subsoil or the soil that was there before. This is a 6A, which is a clean crushed, 3/4 crushed limestone, which is great for full permeability and prevents frost heaving. Unlike 21AA, we like 6A for a clean permeation of water and to remove the possibility of frost heaving during the winter months. I recommend homeowners to always contact contractors and to ask what material is going to be used, because this is super critical to the longevity of your patio or walkway. And here we are at the final step. Here's what the walkway ended up looking like. It looks amazing with the darker brown border. This is us polysanding or wetting the polysand after, and then this is the morning of. So this is one day later. We came back. The homeowner was cleaning off his cars. That's why you see some soap and stuff nearby, but it looks amazing. We fixed the step and the large drop they had from their walkway down to the new walkway so that it's a normal step height, and it just looks great. They're super happy. I'm super happy for them, and this new home has a great curb appeal. So if you're a homeowner and you're looking for a walkway or a new patio project like this, feel free to give me a call and/or like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to work with you. See you soon.